Special features. Let's take a look at some of the special features available in the iComfort S30 system. Tapping the Mode or Schedule button allows us to view the available schedules preset as they come from the factory. We can select a summer operating schedule, a winter operating schedule, a spring or fall operating schedule, a save energy schedule. We can select to edit the schedules and then pick each individual schedule and change the set points for all days at different times. We can select to change the schedule by individual days or by week and weekends. Essentially allowing the iComfort S30 to be a single-day programmable thermostat, a 7-day programmable thermostat, or to operate as a 5 and 2 programmable thermostat. We can select the mode of operation, and we can change the parameters accordingly. We also have the ability that during each scheduled period to decide how we want the fan to perform: on, auto, circulate, or allergen defender should we be connected to the internet. We also have Schedule IQ, which is a revolutionary way of scheduling and setting the set points for your iComfort S30. Schedule IQ will take a look at every smartphone and enabled device in the home. Downloading the iComfort app to the phone pairs the phones to the S30. When those phones are in the home, it'll run at your scheduled set points. As those phones leave, the system will go to away mode and revert back to the lower settings to save energy. As you approach the home, the S30 will use the GPS and geofencing of your phone to recognize you're on the way home and revert the set points to the operating conditions you want inside the home. Other features available can be found by clicking on the icon in the upper right hand corner and going to the Settings tab. We can click the Name option and name the system something significant to the homeowner: first floor, second floor, upstairs, downstairs. We can click the Away button and tell it the set points we want it to control when it's away. We can click the Feels Like temperature. We can enable it. And enabling Feels Like allows the iComfort S30 to look at outdoor temperature, indoor temperature, and indoor humidity to set the control to a temperature that mimics what the customer wants the air to feel like in their home, making it simpler for the customer to control their system by not having to set individual heating, cooling, and humidity set points. We can click on the Fan option and decide how many minutes per hour we want the fan to run to circulate air across our filtration. The Heating and Cooling button allows us to set wider set point ranges, to select the mode that we want the equipment to operate in, normal, comfort, and to allow us to set safety precautions. Tapping the humidity icon allows us to decide our humidity strategy, to humidify, dehumidify, or both. And if we're going to do normal dehumidification or max dehumidification, and what our set points will be. The Harmony zoning option allows us to view each of the zones connected to the system and rename them accordingly. Tapping the General icon allows us to see the general information about the iComfort S30. Clicking About allows us to see the control number, the serial number, the hardware revision, the software revision, as well as the information about the Smart Hub. Dealer info would be the data that the dealer puts into the system at startup. We can also decide to select screen lock and leave the iComfort S30 completely unlocked, partially locked to where they can simply adjust the set points, or locked, which will lock the entire control. Tapping the display icon allows us to see more information that's available to us, such as how to display the outdoor weather. We turn it on, we can view outdoor weather from an onboard sensor in the outdoor unit, or we can click Internet and allow it to use the zip code of the home to find the detailed weather forecast available to the homeowner at the touch of a button. We can display the outdoor air quality, which will also be pulled in from the zip code. The indoor humidity. We can turn the proximity sensor on and off so that if the homeowner walks up to the thermostat while it's in the screensaver mode, it'll automatically notice that they're there and activate the screen. We can set the screensaver to either a picture, the weather, a power save, or turn it off. We can adjust the screen brightness, the temperature scale, and even clean the screen. We could then tap on the home information to view the info about the home, or we can tap on the account tab to view the customer's account. To return to the normal display, simply click the iComfort icon in the upper left-hand corner.